In the last lesson, we did an example of a product rule video when we had two things multiplied, f of x times g of x. Now, if we had two things divided by each other, two functions, f of x and g of x, how do we go about taking the derivative? And we learned the theory about it a couple of videos ago. So let's just jump straight into an example. So let me define a function. Y is x over e to the x. And remember my mnemonic device from before. Low d high minus high d low square the bottom. Here we go. So here we have high is our x and our low is our e to the x. Okay, so now let's put everything together. So the derivative y prime is low, which is just e to the x, times derivative of high minus high times derivative of low. And what's the bottom? The bottom is e to the x, so square the bottom. Here we go. Okay? So, what do we know about the derivative of x? Well, that's just 1. And what's the derivative of an exponential? That's just e to the x. So the answer is e to the x times e to the x quantity squared. E to the x minus, we can simplify it once more. E to the x times 1 is just e to the x minus x times e to the x over e to the x squared. And we can simplify further because there's e to the x in every expression here, but as I say, simplify at your own risk. So I think I am done.